Meaning of evolutionary.
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 Evolutionary. Evolutionary refers to the gradual development and change in something over time, usually resulting in more advanced or complex forms. The term is often used in the context of biology, where it describes the process by which species adapt and diversify over time through genetic variation and natural selection. The result of evolutionary processes can range from minor adaptations to major transformations, such as the development of new species or the emergence of novel traits. In general, evolutionary changes are driven by environmental pressures and occur over long periods of time, typically spanning many generations.